Hey Davers, yesterday I sat with Tal regarding some changes we would like to do in the SDK proposal, and we're about halfway through there and we're going to continue with that today. Also, I'm starting to create the infrastructure for the CI and testing for the SDK. That's pretty much what I'm going to do today. So let's hear it from the team.
Yesterday I worked on the POC of Kafka Cassandra distributed network, and yesterday I added some functionality of basic Cassandra function integration, and today I'm going to continue working on it and test the Cassandra and Kafka and how we are locating the positioning of the things. That's it for today.
So I have today some bug to fix in Missions app, and then I will I have small UI tasks, and then I will continue to work on the SDK. That's it.
Hey, so as Shachar said, we're working today on the interface for the SDK, redefining it, refining it. Also today, I just found out one of my meetings got cancelled, so I got a few hours, so there'll be some time to catch up on some emails, and then I have a couple more meetings. That's it. See you tomorrow.
Hey guys, so I worked on presentations for vehicle companies, made some changes there based on Alex's feedback. Continuing today with the research on the bike sharing companies, or starting to work already on a presentation for one of the top companies in this bike sharing industry. This is it.
Hey, Davers, Alec here. Today we had a team meeting where me and Lior, our head of product, explained our different opportunities, MOUs that are out, super informative. The whole team really enjoyed it. I really had a great time. Following that conversation, I'm having some tasks I need to do to check for some competitors in the ride-hailing industry within a specific city in the United States. That's it. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi everyone, today I'm continuing with my efforts to map out the Smart Cities initiatives and Smart Cities labs at universities around the world. There are a lot of them, so it's going to be an ongoing process. I am also, of course, keeping social media updated and providing community support when necessary. See you tomorrow.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today I continued working on George's interview, and then I went to film the developers for the DailyDAV. After that we had a team meeting here in the office where Alec and Lior updated us on recent developments with big and small automotive companies. Then I got new Chinese subtitles for Slipstream's videos, so I went over them to see that everything is fine and I can work with it. And for the rest of the day I'm gonna continue working on George's interview. I'm gonna upload a link today for the team to give me feedback, so we can release it tomorrow. So stay tuned. That's it for now. Bye.